Welcome to KBIS. My name is John Allen. I'm with FOTILE. I'm going to show you our Q7 sink dishwasher. Right. This is the dishwasher part on the sink dishwasher. See, you push the button, how easy it is. You open it up. This will hold for 2 people. It's perfect. It's very deep. It's very economical. As you can see, it's ergonomically designed, so it's a top-loading dishwasher, so you're no more bending over to get into your sink or into your dishwasher. This is your seafood cleaning machine. Goes right in here. Your sink. This is your fruit and your vegetable cleaner. It's like an ionization. I picture it like a jewelry cleaner. So this will take off 90% of the pesticides off of your food. This is a fantastic machine. This is our FOTILE's JQG7501. It was made for the American market. Let me just show you some features here. Zero touch controls, real easy to turn on. They turn on this steamer pod here. You can see how powerful it is. It has 2 centrifugal fans. Has a screen lock for easy cleaning. 2-minute shut off. This has a 95% odor reduction rate, plus a 98% oil filtration rate, which all of your oil conveniently drops right here. The tempered glass makes it real easy to clean. Hey folks, this is the EMG9030. It's probably the coolest range hood in the world. Let me show you some features on this. This automatically adjusts to the amount of cooking smoke from 3, see this coming down? From 3 to 5 inches, so that no smoke escapes. It has an intelligent air steward on the side, so if it detects cigarette smoke, carbon monoxide, benzene, ammonia, it'll automatically come on and suck it out of your house. So you can go to sleep at night and not have to worry about dying from carbon monoxide poisoning. The decibels on this, 48 decibels on the high side, 40 decibels on the low side. So it's like hanging a Bosch dishwasher on your wall. Very, very quiet, very technical, advanced. Like I said, it's the coolest range hood that we have.